Easy Transport here, back with another video. Today join me in North Shields and the metro is just behind me. But the metro is off today between Wallsend and Tynemouth, which means I have to get the replacement bus to Tynemouth and then change for the metro there as I'm heading to Shiremore.
Is your IBS one?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Now this will be my first ever bus journey since March, because I haven't really been riding buses. I mean, I've done a few metro trips during the lockdown, but for essential reasons. And obviously the lockdown's been lifted, you can go and visit family, but you should avoid using public transport, so I've not been going on it as much as I would usually. It may notice me without a mask. I will have my mask on for the journey, so don't worry.
Dad's got his on.
My dad's got his on now. And as soon as I'm boarding the bus, I'll put mine on. Because you've just been advised to wear face masks on public transport, but for some people just do it all the time. And I don't see how they can live with it, because whenever I wear masks, I always get dead sweaty after a while. So the time now is currently 11:04 on Saturday the 30th of May. Exactly 1 month until my birthday. And on my birthday, I will be going train spotting, but I'll be doing it line side, so not on a station, as I would love to. I think I can hear the bus. Unless it's somewhere else. Or it's a 310 coming down. No, that's a replacement, that, bet you. Where's my Ribena? Did you put it in there? So I shall see you when we are boarding. Okay, so it appears that this isn't my bus, because it's 6095 Fab 56 livery, which runs between Sunderland and Newcastle, which is very rare down here, but they just chuck any spare bus on the 900. And I thought this would be my bus, but it's not, because it's going to Wallsend. And that is now 2 in a row going to Wallsend, because the one that I saw one just as I arrived in North Shields, and it was also going to Wallsend. So that's 2 in a row. What a big oof. Okay, off goes 6095 on the 900 to Wallsend, Fab 56 livery. Thought this would be my bus because I heard it coming down the road, but it turns out that's another one to Wallsend. Sorry about that, I just accidentally pressed pause instead of the picture. And no, that's not ours either, because that's the 53 to Cramlington. Oh, down there's a 319 arriving. Bound for Jarrow bus station. There's quite a few buses captured in this video. There's 319, which is off to Jarrow. Well, after a quick stop here, because it'll be terminating here, of course. Okay, here comes this 53 to Cramlington. It'll be going round the corner, sitting there for a bit, and then it'll start service at North Shields Stand B, 7522. Yeah, that'll be sitting round the corner for a bit while the driver has his break, and then it'll be going round to Stand B, which is near
Bedford Street.
Yeah. I can't believe I forgot the name of what shop's it's near.
One bargain.
Yeah, around about there. Anyway, I shall see you when our bus eventually arrives. Okay, here we are. 6084 to Tynemouth.
Let the people off first, please. Sorry? Let the other people off first, please. Oh, I thought you didn't think I thought everybody would be off.
Oof. 6084.
Come take us to the table. Paid for. I'm going to send back in the morning.
Okay, we are on 6084 double decker, and we are bound for Tynemouth on the 900.
What do you call it?
Oh, I don't know.
Call the kids Courtney.
I can't hear you, Dad.
Courtney, and what do you call it?
You just muffled because you got your mask on. And I'm actually doing something, guys, that I don't usually do. Sitting on the bottom of a double decker. Because usually when I'm on double deckers I sit at the top. But we're only going one stop, so I might as well just sit here. Not many people wearing a mask, is there? Disappointing. And yes, guys, I am wearing a mask now. I'll even show you. Yep, I am. Social distancing posters up. And there's one right there. About to stay 2 meters away. Big open space at the back. I bet National Transport Productions or Videos has done a rear view video on this bus. Because if you wanted to, you could blue tack like your phone to like the back or something, or whatever device you use for filming, and then do a rear view. Or if there's like a seat near the front, you could do a front view. Or if you're on the top, just blue tack it onto the glass. 1.8. That was weird. That was a 310 livery bus on the 1A. But they're all over the place at the moment. Goodness knows why. Probably due to the timetables being a bit different. Anyway, I'm now going to wrap up the videos. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe. And for Noxa Fulcia agus Slán, which is stay safe and bye in Irish. For Noxa Fulcia agus Slán. Thanks for watching another video on GT Transport. Now remember, you can click now on the left to subscribe to my channel, and you can click on the right to see a video or a playlist.